Hi, I'm Lisa Crosby, and this is the Weekly Wrap, my top pick of new feature announcements in Power Platform, Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Teams for the week ending 2nd of May 2021. And honestly, the biggest news on all of the blogs and all of the announcements this week is that the Microsoft Business Applications Summit is happening on the 5th of May. That does mean there's been a bit of a slow news week with other things, and I'm anticipating a very big news week next week. I will also be doing my top 10 in 10 minutes from the Business Applications Summit on the 5th of May, so make sure you subscribe to catch that. Announced this week though, as part of MBAS, is the Cloud Skills Challenge. This gives you a chance to sign up and you have a chance to win a half-hour session with a product expert from Microsoft. Pretty awesome. You've also got to check out this page because somebody with a bit of a sense of humor and a love of Star Wars has clearly put all of the challenge names together. May the skills be with you, and may you check that one out for sure. Also this week, it was announced that registration is open for Microsoft Build. This is a developer conference, but I found when I went to it last year, the definition of developer has broadened right out now. That includes people who are low-code developers and makers in Power Platform. Make sure you register for that and check out those sessions. In terms of other things that have been announced this week, for the Power Platform, we have a really great tool that's just been released, which is the PowerCat Adoption Maturity Model. Let me unpick this a bit for you. PowerCat is a team of awesome people who work for Microsoft in the Power Platform engineering team, and their role is to help organizations get Power Platform adoption happening. And what they've released with this maturity model is a series of patterns and behaviors and things that they know that underpin successful adoption of Power Platform. And this gives you stages, like a matrix, different things to consider. So strategy and vision, administration, governance, and so on. So if you're an organization looking to adopt Power Platform or to take it to that next level, have a look at this, and this can really help you with assessing where you're up to, where you might want to be, and what you can do to get there. Really awesome resource to help with adoption in the platform. On the Power Automate side of the house, individuals can now purchase the per user plan with attended RPA. RPA is robotic process automation. It allows you to automate across systems that you can't connect to programmatically with an API. So if you've got legacy Windows applications or web applications that you want to automate against, RPA is the thing for you. Very fast moving technology, highly worth checking out if you haven't already. The announcement here is that individuals can purchase it, which means if you're in a large organization and you want to get going with this just for yourself or for your department, you will be able to do that now without having to go through an admin. Disclaimer here, admins can actually block that feature for the whole tenant, so individual experiences may vary. And then on the Power Apps side of the house, affecting model-driven apps and Dynamics 365, the low-density headers are being deprecated in October 2021. Now, apparently very few people are still using this, but if you are in this camp, pay attention. This is to do with the header fields, so you get like 4 fields at the top of your model-driven app, or that you'll see in Dynamics 365. The new high-density headers are awesome, gets rid of all of that white space and allows you to do things like a flyout for people to do their data entry. If you are still using those low density headers, now is the time. They're going to be deprecated in a few months, so consider yourself warned in advance that that's happening. And that's it for the Weekly Wrap this week. Don't forget Business Applications Summit happening on the 5th of May, and check out my top 10 in 10 video, which I will be recording on the day to summarize all of the highlights for you there. Thanks very much for watching.